In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chart on Google Sites quickly and effortlessly. So if you're ready to enhance your site with some informative visuals, let's dive right in. First things first, let's make sure you have access to Google Sites. Simply open up your favorite web browser and type Google Sites into the search bar. Hit enter, and you'll be presented with a list of results. Click on the first link you see, which should be the official Google Sites page. Once you're there, you'll need to select the site where you want to add your chart. If you have multiple sites, take a moment to locate the one that you'll be working with today. When you find it, go ahead and click on it to open your site. This will bring you to the editing interface, where we'll be performing all the magic. Now look to the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on the Insert button. This is your gateway to adding various elements, including text, images, and most importantly for us, charts. After clicking Insert, you'll notice several new options appear, one of which is Drive. This is the key to integrating a chart you've already created or have stored in Google Drive. Click on the Drive button, and a window will pop up displaying all your Google Drive files. Scroll through your Drive until you locate the chart you'd like to embed. You may want to organize your drive beforehand, or use the search function if you have a lot of files. When you find the chart, click once to select it. This lets Google Sites know that this is the file you want to work with. Once your chart is selected, look towards the bottom right of this window, and you'll see the Insert button. Give it a click, and voila! Your chart will now embed itself into the page you're editing. You should see it appear instantaneously, and you can adjust its size and position on the page just like any other element. Feel free to fine-tune your chart's placement to suit your page design perfectly. Remember that charts are great tools for illustrating data and can provide valuable insights to your visitors. So experiment with the layout to ensure it's as effective and visually appealing as possible. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added a chart to your Google site. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy guides like this one. Happy charting!